The bulls are well fed. This is Market Action News, Wednesday, February 25th, 2015. Here's what's happening. All-time record highs for the blue chip indicator, the S&P, as we start out the day on Wall Street. And all of this coming in the wake of testimony from Federal Reserve Chairperson Janet Yellen. And she calmed the markets and brought a big day for Wall Street. So far, after the market closed, we took a look at individual situations, including earnings, and Hewlett-Packard putting pressure on the NASDAQ after 10 in a row to the upside. And this morning, we're also looking at the wake of earnings from Target beating the street. We have SodaStream, same, and Dollar Tree coming in at $1 compared to $1.02. Campbell's Soup in line, and Lowe's also to the upside, much like Home Depot on Tuesday. Checking out the overseas markets as we get underway. The Nikkei closing down in Japan just 18 points. Not a lot of market volatility here. 18,585. The Hang Seng Hong Kong gaining 28 at 24,778. The Fancy in London down 30 at 69.20. The DAX in Germany down 15 at 11,190. CAC down 11, 48.75 there. And oil prices little changed, though a lot of job owning coming out of OPEC nations. Up 11 cents on oil, $49.38 on West Texas Intermediate. Gold back above the $1,200 level, up $9, $12.06. Don't never, unless you will, remember those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.